SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to stop auto-joining hotspots on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. When you don't have a strong Wi-Fi connection, then your iPhone will probably try and use your cellular network to connect to the internet. But if you have multiple phones that share the same Apple ID and a hotspot is enabled on one of those other devices, then it's possible that your iPhone is also trying to connect to those hotspots. If you would like your iPhone 15 to stop auto-joining hotspots, then you can open the Settings app. You can then select the Wi-Fi option near the top of the screen, and then you can select the Auto-Join Hotspot option there. Now you just need to choose the Never option if you would like your iPhone to never automatically connect to a hotspot when you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, or you can switch it to Ask to Join if you would like to be prompted about whether or not to connect to that hotspot. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.